Space is vast, mysterious, and full of wonders. But some places are straight out of a nightmare. Imagine a planet where it rains molten glass sideways at thousands of miles per hour. A planet so deadly that even looking at it from space would be dangerous. This isn't science fiction, this is HD 189733b, the most terrifying planet ever discovered. HD 189733b is what scientists call a hot Jupiter, a massive gas giant orbiting extremely close to its star. Located just 64 light-years away, it's one of the closest exoplanets we've ever studied. At first glance, it might look beautiful, almost like Earth with its deep blue color. But don't be fooled. This is not a place you'd ever want to visit. It's like staring at a blue marble. Except that marble wants to kill you in the most brutal way possible. First, let's talk about the winds. On Earth, a Category 5 hurricane has winds of about 250 kilometers per hour, 155 miles per hour. But on HD 189733b, the winds reach a staggering 8,700 kilometers per hour, 5,400 miles per hour, 7 times the speed of sound. To put that in perspective, if these winds were on Earth, they could circle the entire planet in just 5 hours. Nothing could survive in these extreme conditions. If you ever landed here, you wouldn't just get blown away, you'd be vaporized before you could even say, "Oh no." Now, if the winds weren't terrifying enough, let's talk about the rain. But it's not water. It's molten glass. Due to the planet's scorching atmosphere, tiny silicate particles in the air condense into liquid glass, forming razor-sharp raindrops. Then, the hurricane-force winds blast these molten glass droplets sideways at insane speeds. Imagine standing in a glass-blowing workshop while a tornado hurls molten shards straight into your face. At 5,000 miles per hour. Yeah, not exactly a vacation spot. If you thought getting caught in a hailstorm was bad, try dodging liquid glass flying at you faster than a bullet. HD 189733b is also terrifying because of its extreme heat. The planet orbits its star at just 1/30th the distance between Earth and the Sun, so close that its surface temperature is over 930 degrees Celsius 1700 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. And because it's tidally locked, meaning one side always faces the star, it never cools down. The star also bombards the planet with intense X-rays and ultraviolet radiation, 20,000 times stronger than what we get on Earth. In 2013, NASA observed the planet's atmosphere literally being blown away by solar flares. So, even if you somehow survived the winds and glass storms, the radiation would fry you instantly. It's like living in a microwave, while getting sandblasted by molten glass, in the middle of a tornado. So, could anything exist on this nightmare planet? Probably not. Scientists believe life as we know it couldn't survive such extreme conditions. But there's always a possibility. Extremophiles, tiny organisms that thrive in extreme environments, have surprised us before. Could there be alien microbes floating in the upper atmosphere, safe from the worst of the planet's fury? Right now, we don't know. But one thing is certain, HD 189733b is one of the most violent, dangerous, and terrifying places we've ever discovered. And here's the craziest part, HD 189733b isn't even the worst planet out there. The universe is filled with planets that defy imagination. Some even more extreme than this one. So, do you want to hear about even scarier planets? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more mind-blowing space facts. Because out there, beyond our little blue planet, things get really, really weird.